everybody, it's Carrie here from the Creative Life Studios, and today we're going to do just a quick DIY project to show you how you can make your own foam stamps from stuff you probably have hanging out at your house already. So sit back, relax, and I'll see you later. Good morning, creatives. This morning we're going to do a quick tutorial on how you can DIY your own foam stamps just from dies you might already have at home. This is a Scissors die called Butterflies and Rings because it's just butterflies and rings. So for this project you're going to need a good pair of scissors. These are my Westcott Cabo titanium. I absolutely love them. They're fantastic. You're going to need whatever your die cutting choice machine is. This is of course a Big Shot. You're going to need your plates, of course. You're going to need some foam, and then I highly recommend getting this stuff called mounting paper. This is from the Paper Studio. I actually got it half price, so it was like $2.50 for 2 sheets. But what it does is remove one side, attach it to the back of your foam, and leave the other one so that when we're done, you'll be able to easily mount your new foam stamps onto whatever you choose to use as a substrate. Today I'm going to be using, funny enough, this acetate. It's actually left over from a poster frame of one of my daughters that broke, and so it's flexible, but it's still strong enough to be able to do what we need to do, and I already owned it, so why pay for more acetate? So super easy. We're just going to take our foam, and this one is a 0.2, and so it's pretty thick. You can try it with a thinner one. It works, but not as well, I think. So we're just going to take and make our little Scissors sandwich. So plate, block, foam, and then our other plate, and then we're going to do our little Scissors sandwich press here. And just roll it on through. Pull it out, get this out of the way. Right, and you can see we've got these great little foam shapes now. But what's great also is you can see they've got that white on the back. So now that I can stick them to whatever I'd like to. So I'm going to pop these out. Pop these out. I'm gonna get rid of this stuff for now. Grab my acetate. And actually did another set right here. So now it's just a matter of figuring out fun things to do with it. Like I could, well, that would be cute to kind of overlap them. Let's see. So I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna make a little mark. And a little mark. I'm going to use my Westcott scissors to trim those. And then what I'm also going to do, so that that'll fit in the middle, trim just a smidge off of this as well, so it'll fit hopefully in the middle of that circle if I trimmed it right. So this would fit right like that. And then I'm going to trim that a little bit more. And this, in a perfect world, is going to fit perfect. So we've got some overlapping circles. Get some dots, some circles in the middle, little. And there we go. We have DIY'd our own stamp. I'm going to trim this down just so it's a little bit easier to handle, or actually I might keep it that way because then I can handle it. I don't know. We'll see. See the back? Awesome. So I hope you like this tutorial today and you'll use it. And look out soon for a project that I make using this stamp that I made myself. Have a great day.